welcome to this week's edition of The Gun Doctor. Even though we are celebrating the new year and hoping for a break from the past, earlier this week the Illinois General Assembly began its 2022 legislative session, but brought along anti-gun bills from 2021. Senate amendment to Senate Bill 568, deceptively called the Fix the FOID Act, criminalizes private transfers of firearms from one FOID card holder to another FOID card holder, requires fingerprints for both new FOID applications and renewals, doubles the application fee of a FOID card to $20 while cutting the duration to 5 years, and increases the processing time for a FOID card. Current Illinois law already only allows FOID card holders to conduct private transfers of firearms to other FOID card holders, and state police already do background checks on FOID applicants. Senate Bill 1855 requires firearms be made unavailable for self-defense by imposing a one-size-fits-all storage requirement. Senate Bill 2510 arbitrarily classifies many modern semi-automatic rifles, semi-automatic handguns, and shotguns commonly owned by law-abiding citizens as assault weapons and bans them, along with spare parts and accessories. Citizens who own banned firearms prior to the effective date of the law may continue to possess them only if they register them with state police and pay fees. Well, we decided to bring along a new product that actually debuted in 2021, the all-new Byrna Mission 4. Well, all new in 2021, but hey, if the Illinois General Assembly can do it, just saying. Byrna's first 68 caliber shoulder-fired launcher, the Mission 4, re-engineered by Byrna, is based on the AR-15 platform, one of the most popular rifle platforms in the world. The mag-fed launcher comes with coupled 19-round magazines, which allow the user the flexibility of quickly reloading or switching between ammo types in less than a second. The Byrna Mission 4 is powered by an 88-gram CO2 cartridge that is housed inside the buttstock and is capable of firing 60 rounds per cartridge at a range of 175 feet. To charge the Mission 4, you just have to screw the CO2 cartridge into the launcher, utilizing the supplied adapter, and then slide the stock over the cartridge and tighten with a 1/8-inch hex key. The Mission 4 also comes with a positive air disconnect switch, allowing the user to safely cut the air supply from the cartridge to the launcher, thus extending the life of the cartridge in between shooting sessions. Included with the launcher are flip-up front and rear sights, a foregrip, and a full-length picaninny top rail, and in-lock rails on the handguards, allowing for the addition of various optic lights, bipods, and other accessories. Coming in at just under 31 inches long and weighing only 5.6 pounds, and launching 68 caliber projectiles at 325 feet per second, shooting the Mission 4 is not only easy, but users will have fun reaching out and consistently hitting targets farther and more accurately than ever before. If you're looking to protect your property, home, and your loved ones, the capabilities of the Byrna Mission 4 make it the ultimate tool for less lethal self-defense. And if Santa didn't bring you what you really wanted this Christmas, stop on in to Smokin' Gun Works and see the area's largest selection of firearms and accessories. Smokin' Gun Works, where you can buy, sell, or trade, shoot, shop, or train. You can do it all at Smokin' Gun Works. Smokin' Gun Works, 8785 North Baileyville Road, Forreston, Illinois. For the Gun Doctor, I'm Tim Bivens.